Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm here in our little stagey area, and this is the week in review. So we're going to talk about all the fun things that happened this week. First of all, I was able to build this prop last week. It was a lot of work. It took me, I think it was 3 or 4 days. It's the jumbo version of my original stand, so maybe we'll talk about that another time. But the first day of the week, Monday, was our Happy New Year show. That was the one that told everyone, yes, we're going to be doing something exciting this year. And this is one of those exciting things we're going to be doing, is the weekly roundup. Now, also, we had on Tuesday was the discount costuming. That was the easy to make projects, or quick tips, I think is what it was, more like a quick tip. And that was how to get costuming from thrift stores, and that particular one highlighted the 79-cent sport coat. Okay, so Wednesday was the man cave artwork. That was the easy to make project. That's where we took this particular one was fence board, but you can use pallet wood and all that to make a little project using old rusty tools. So that was an exciting one there. Let's see, Thursday was how to create a lion puppet the hard way. That was a fun one. We actually were able to remove the mechanism, I believe, in one piece, but you'll need to see for sure. And we were able to make a lion puppet that way. Now, the Friday episode was that lion puppet performing one last time. It's kind of a little segment we do when the little animated toys work properly. We're able to take one last show or performance, and that was what was on Friday. Saturday was our easy to make project. That was the bird bath made from pots and pans. So we've had a good week so far. Again, Happy New Year. We had discount costuming. We had the man cave artwork. That was the easy to make project. We had how to create a puppet the hard way. We had the actual puppet, the actual animated toy performing on Friday. And Saturday we had the easy to make project with the pot and pan bird feeder. I guess you could use it as a bird bath as well. So that's it. That was the week. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have all the links down below, so you can go into the actual title of the, or not the title, but the text of the comments, or the description, I guess it is, and we'll put all those different links in there. And I want to do one last thing before I go. I want to show you something I found recently at a thrift store, and that's it right here. It is the DIY Magician Elmo doll. Yay! Kinda. I don't know what it is, but I just saw an Elmo doll with the DIY Magician outfit on it, and I couldn't pass it up. I may or may not take the pocket off the front. So you let me know if I should take the pocket off the front, or if I just leave it the way it is. Again, it's up to you. You give me some feedback. Anyways, thank you very much for being with me today. This is the DIY Magician. If you've been with us before, thank you for coming back. If you're new to the channel, please, please, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. This is going to be an ongoing thing. We're going to try and make this an ongoing deal. Every week we're going to have the follow-up, so you're going to be able to find out fun stuff. Thank you again.